Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install SSRS step by step. That is SQL Server Reporting Services step by step. Yes, this is my part 5 video of how to install MSBI step by step. If you have directly landed on this video and if you want to know more about to install MSBI step by step, then go and watch all my 4 parts video. That is part 1 video of how to install Visual Studio step by step. Then part 2 video is about how to install SQL Server 2017 step by step, and the part 3 video is about how to install SQL Server Management Studio step by step, and the part 4 video, the most important video of MSBI installation, that is how to install SSDT step by step. So go and watch all my 4 parts video. The videos links are provided in the description box of this video below, so kindly check the links in the below the description box and do watch all my 4 parts video. If you know how to install SSDT, Visual Studio, SQL Server and the Management Studio, then you can proceed this video. Then you can watch this video of installing SSRS step by step. Yes, so this is your host Gurunatha Dogi from onlineprep.com. So let's get started with the SSRS installation. So hey friends, we have installed all the 4 setup. Now it's time to do the SSRS installation. So in order to install SSRS, we need to follow the same procedure. That is, we will go into our Mozilla Firefox browser where we are going to type SQL Server Reporting Services 2017. Yes, because our SQL Server is 2017, so we will type that only. So 2017, I will just click on this link now. So as you can see, here we can download on different languages. Okay, so Chinese, French, German, or any language, whatever you like. But so here I know only English only, so I will download in English language only. So I'll just click on the download link. So it is being downloading now. Yes, save file. The SQL Server Reporting Services exe file is been getting downloaded. I think in 11 seconds it is going to get download. 7 6 5 4 and 3. Yes, I think it's done now. So yes, let me just click on the this exe file. So as you can see, the screen has been appeared here, to install Microsoft SQL Server 2017 reporting services. So let's start the installation. So choose the edition. Definitely I'm going to choose my developer edition. Okay, I have selected the free edition because I have installed SQL Server 2017 as my developer edition only. So here also I am going to install as a developer edition only. If you have the product key, you can definitely go with the product key thing. But since my edition is developer edition, so I am going to install as per the developer edition only. So I am now going to click on the next button. Let's see what happens. Yes, I need to accept the license terms. Yes, I checked on the checkbox and finally clicking on the next button. Install the reporting services only. Yes, I just want to install the reporting services because I have already installed my SSDT. Okay, so install the database engine. I'm just clicking on the next button. This is my location. Yes, it has been specified already. So I will just click on the install button now. So as you can see, the installation process begun here, that is loading of the packages and everything. So as you can see, the package progress has been started now installing. So let's see how much time it will take. So fast. Yeah, so overall progress is showing me completed. Let's see what happens next. So we are installing reporting service here, for SQL Server 2017. So I think it is taking some time. So let's see what happens next. So package process is completed and overall progress is completed, but still I think the screen is not getting appeared whether we have completed this process or not. I think it is getting taking some time. So let's see what happens next. Yes, I think we have completed the setup successfully. We have installed the files you need. We need to restart the computer and run the reporting service server configuration. So friends, as you can see, we have installed the successfully reporting services. Now I need to restart my computer and I will show you what happens next. Okay. So, but now what we did here, we have successfully completed the 5 setups, that is nothing but our VS 2017 and 2019 setup, and we have also installed SQL Server 2017, and we have also installed SQL Server Management Studio. Then we have installed SQL Server Data Tools for Visual Studio 2017 and SSRS for SQL Server 2017. This is how we have completed all the 5 setups, and I have shown you how to do the setup one by one, step by step. So finally we have done with the 5 setups successfully. Now we can go and implement MSBI on the Visual Studio 2017 successfully. Now we can do lot many stuff. Now we can create the first program of MSBI using SSIS or SSRS or SSAS. So this is all about it with the setup now. So hey friend, this is all about SSRS installation. Hope you really like this video. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding this installation or regarding the MSBI installation, then do let me know your queries and doubts in the comment box below of this video. Definitely I'm going to answer your queries and doubts. And do also let me know whether you have installed the MSBI properly or not by watching my videos. And also let me know whether you have installed the SSRS properly or not. Because in our coming up videos, we are going to see the implementation of MSBI step by step. So do let me know. And also if you have not done the MSBI installation, then I recommend to go and install MSBI step by step by watching all my 5 parts videos. The videos links are provided in the description box of this video below. So kindly check the links and watch all my 5 parts videos for proper MSBI installation step by step. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the big fat thumbs up, and do share with your friends, and stay with me in my coming up videos where we are going to implement MSBI step by step with the hands-on practice and with the real-time example. So thank you very much.